The act of hand hygiene has been shown to reduce the transmission of microbes, which reduces the number of hospital-acquired infections. Hand sanitisers should only be used when hands are visibly clean. If your hands are visibly dirty or sticky, wash your hands with soap and water prior to sanitising. To sanitise your hands using Bactol Alcohol Gel, follow these steps. First of all, remove all jewellery and cover abrasions. Dispense 1 to 2 pumps of Bactol Alcohol Gel onto your hands. Dip fingertips and fingernails in gel, ensuring they are fully covered. Next, thoroughly rub product over all hand surfaces, paying attention to thumbs and the webbing between fingers. Continue to rub surface of hands until dry. Whiteley Corporation understands the importance of hand hygiene products in healthcare, aged care, and the wider community. For further information on our infection prevention products, please visit Whiteley Medical's website.